This room is next. It's Luke's room. And I bought linens for the bed. Had to go to 2 different stores to find linens to go with my comforters I bought. And now it's time to go through and organize. These are the lamps that'll go in. We've got some art for the frames that will go on the wall to the right. And then we're going to move the little bookcase over again so that Luke can have a little station to plug in his phone, have a lamp. That suitcase is empty. I have another empty suitcase upstairs. Need to figure out where we're going to get rid of those. And then this cool case. Let's see, Alitalia. It's very cool, old. I would like to do something, make a stand of some sort and have it be a chest. If we can. If not, try to repurpose it somewhere else because it's really cool.
Next up is simply installing curtain rods, curtains, and tie backs. Install the same exact setup on the other window, and then gonna move on to the wall where we picked up some frames and some prints of like vintage travel posters of local sites. So the room is wrapped up. We also installed a ceramic light fixture. The room definitely needs a few things. It really needs like furniture, but we have to really work on finding stuff that works with this room that isn't too big. But if you remember what this started as, I think you'll be able to, acknowledge that it looks a lot better for really a little bit of just elbow grease and a couple, key little touches.